Box and whisker plots uses a number line to show the distribution of a set of data. Uses a number line to show the distribution of a set of data. So really the only time we use box and whisker plots is when you want to look how one person compares to an entire group. You know, if you have 100 students and you want to know where you fall in those 100 students, you can make a box and whiskers plot. Like for test, I could do a box and whiskers plot to see how my classes compare to each other. Okay, so with our box and whiskers plot, you need to make 5 points on your line. 5 points. The first one is the median. Median, and who can tell me what the median is again? Oh. Tyrell?
The middle of a set of organized numbers.
Yeah, it's the middle number. Middle number of data. So that is our first point. Our second point is the lower quartile. And the lower quartile is the median of the lower half. So this is like cutting it in half and then cutting it in half again. Taishao? Lower quartile. Q-U-A-R-T-I-L-E. So then our third point is upper quartile. What do you guys think that is? Somebody besides Tyrell.
Our median of the upper half.
Yeah, the median of the upper half. So there's 3 of our points. These 3 points make our box. Because you know in a box and whiskers you have your box like this. This would be your lower quartile, your LQ. This would be your upper quartile. And then you have your median somewhere in the middle. And then we have our whiskers. And our whiskers, 0.4 will be our lowest number. And if 0.4 is our lowest number, like right here, what do you think this point's going to be?
Highest number.
Our highest number. Can somebody look at their notes and tell me or somebody without looking at their notes or the board tell us our 5 points? Mir.
Lower quartile, upper quartile.
There's 2 of them. 3 more.
Looking at the board.
Taishelle, help them out. You said the upper and the lower quartile.
The lowest number.
The lowest number, highest number, and the median. Way to go, group 1.
Do we get
You get a high five on the way out of class.
Okay.
Interquartile range. And this is the difference. Range, you know, we're going to probably subtract in math. So we're going to find the difference between the upper and lower quartile. The difference between the upper and lower quartile. So what that is saying, we're going to take this number right here and subtract this number. And that tells us how big this area is right here. This is your interquartile range, IQR. Yes, sir.
Is it kind of like range?
Yeah, it's range, but it's the range of the middle numbers. You don't include your outliers, because usually the lowest number and the highest number are more outliers. So this gives you a range of the middle numbers. Alright, we got 2 examples. Alright, so let's say we had a data set of 26, 17, 21, 23, 19, 28, 17, 20, and 29. 26, 17, 21, 23, 19, 28, 17, 20, 29. What is the first thing we need to do? I shall. Put them in order. So what's my lowest number? 17. How many 17s do I have? 2. Alright, then what? 19, 20, 21, 23, 26, 28, 29. So on your homework, I want you guys to make sure you write them in order. And then also, write out your median, your lower quartile, your upper quartile, then your lowest number, and your highest number. Because those are our 5 points, right? So let's start with our median first. What is our middle number? So we cross out 17, 29, 17, 28, 19, 26.
20.
21, 25. Mr. Blizzard. Isn't it 21, 25? Wait, no.
So you forgot the 21.
I did. That's where I knew.
Oh, 21.
Oh.
So then.
He said he just forgot to write it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what is our middle number? 21. Sorry about that. So our middle number is 21. Alright, so then we find the lower quartile. What's the lower quartile? Well, what is it? Like, what it?
A lower quartile is the
Median of the lower half. So then we take these 4 numbers. You have 17 and 20, and then 17 and 19. So it's the middle of 17 and 19. 18. Or you could find it as 17 plus 19 divided by 2, which will give you 18. Same thing for the upper quartile. You have 23 and 29.
It's 27.
27. Alright, so do we have all of our points we need?
Yes.
Alright, so let's make one.
Oh, we gotta make it?
Yeah, we gotta make it. Alright, so we start, where should we start our line at? Pick a round number.
5.
Or 10. 10 or 15 would work. And then, what should be our highest number? 30. So then we got 20 in the middle, 15, 25. Alright, so let's first plot our median. What's our median? 21. So just put a dot right there. What's our lower quartile? 18. Sorry.
It's 21 and 18.
Mm-hmm. And then what's our upper quartile? 20 what? 20 what?
Oh,
27.
21.
Alright, so this is our box. What you do is, then you just draw a box connecting the upper and lower quartile. And then you just draw a line through the median.
Hold on.
draw a line on
Mm-hmm. Alright, so what are my last 2 points I need? Daniel?
the lowest number?
The lowest number, which is 17. You just connect it. And what's our highest number? 29, and you connect. Can you tell the mean from a box and whisker plot?
Yes.
The mean?
No.
Just by looking at this, not by the data.
No, you cannot.
You cannot tell the mean. You can only tell the median. You can tell the range. Can you tell the mode? No. How is the range different from the alright, so what's the range? Our biggest number minus the smallest. Huh? 29 minus 17 is 12. What is our interquartile range? So you take the upper quartile minus the lower quartile.
Oh, jeez.
27 minus 18 is
9.
9.
Wait, what does that say?
IQ, our interquartile range.
Which is
So why is our range and our interquartile range different?
because the interquartile range is inside the box.
Yeah, it's what's inside the box. It's where most of the data falls. It's a better representation of our data than the range, including our outliers, correct? Does that make sense? A little bit of feedback.
Yes.
Yes,
Alright.
it does.
Alright. So I'm going to give you guys, I want you guys to do this one on your own. For real. What's the first thing we should do?
Put the numbers in order.
Put the numbers in order.
It's the only one I have to.
Yep, this is it.
Is that the answers? I see it.
Never mind.
It's an example.
Alright, use the data to make a box and whisker plot. So we have 5 points. First thing we need to do is put them in order. And then what are you going to find after you put it in order? What's the first one?
The middle number.
The middle number, the median.
Can I put it over